Hi, Heather here from Starkweather Association Services, your most experienced and trusted your membership partner. Welcome to 1 Minute YM, our series all about your membership tips and tricks to help prepare YM technology for your team and your team for YM technology. Today, I want to start off by asking a question. How often do you struggle trying to get an accurate monthly report for the number of active members on your site? If you're using YM, you may have noticed it's not always as intuitive as it seems. However, don't let that discourage you. There is a way to achieve this. It is most successful if you create this as soon as you get on the platform. However, there are still massive benefits to creating it now. Once it is created, you will have more reliable member numbers moving forward. And don't worry, if you do need help getting that historical data to determine your member counts, please contact our team. We have experts here to help you. All right, let's get started on creating this report. You're going to navigate to Exports and Reporting, Custom Queries and Reports on the left menu, Build a Query Report, and then you're going to give it a friendly name. So monthly member count, or active monthly members, whatever you want to name it that's friendly for you. Some people use member roster as well. All right, the area of interest is going to be directory. And the fields that you want to choose are date membership expires, email, first and last name, and then organization, member ID, which is going to be the website ID listed here, member type, and membership. That way you can use Excel to get your counts by member type or the membership, whichever one you're trying to look for. All right, scroll down to continue to query filters. And the entity is going to be that table that we were using, and that's going to be member, non-member. The field is going to be date membership expires. The condition is going to be is between, and you're going to choose from the drop down today and after, and then make sure to save that. And for those of you that are using the master sub account relationship, you will want to add an additional criteria here. And it's going to be member, non-member. And the field that you would choose is going to be the date the sub account membership effectively expires, because sub accounts inherit their master account ID or expiration date. And same thing is between today and after. Make sure to save that. Otherwise, it will only choose that run results for the top line. And then the other thing is that you're going to change this to any. So that way you can tell the system, I want it to be anyone who is current master account or anyone who is a current sub account. Today, I'm going to delete that line. That's just a side note for you to know. All right, we're going to run the report. And that's going to take us to our results page. On the results page, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and arrange these column headers how you want to see them. Maybe you want the name to be at the beginning, so you just drag and drop. You have to do this prior to saving, otherwise it will not save that order. Okay, go ahead and schedule this query. And you're going to choose directory as your category. As you see, the title came over, and share with other administrators. And now this is the important part. This is how you tell the system to create a static report so that you can look back at those links and see, this was my number for August the 1st. This was my number for September the 1st. This is my number for October, and so forth. So choose yes. You don't have to require login. Query is real time. Keep that toggle to no. Otherwise, it will update every time it's ran, and that won't be beneficial to you. And then you're going to proceed to configure report email schedule after saving. And that is going to take you to the report scheduler, and you want to choose monthly, and that will be sent to you on the first at like 12 a.m. in the morning. Active, and then input the email address you want to see here. And then if you're doing multiple, just go to the next line, and so forth for each email address you want that to send. And save. Once you do that, it's going to be available for you to run. and you will receive that automatically via email. So in the email, you're going to get an email like this on the first of the month. A report is available, monthly member count, view report. That's going to take you to the front end of the site where you can either print the report and see it in that format or export that data. And then once you export the data is where you're going to be able to sum those totals by the member type. And then one more thing, if you happen to lose emails or whatever, another safeguard is to always make sure whoever is going to be running this report is the one who creates it, because the creator gets access to the where YM houses those links for you every single month. So I'll show you what I'm referring to. And so here is the one that we have created, monthly member count. And when I click on the edit icon here, it's going to take me to those settings that you saw when we first configured, but it's also going to have a link to every report and then the date it was ran. And so that way you can come back to this and say, okay, this one was my August 1st and this one was September 1st. And of course it will have that date for you. So that's just important that whoever is the one that's going to be looking at these the most is the one that creates that report for your association. All right, and that is how you are going to be able to receive an accurate monthly member count on your membership. If you need more extensive help with building reports in YM, please feel free to contact us. And like I said, if you do need to get access to that historical data, we have experts on our team that know how to create that for you so that you guys can have that for the past and then use this method for everything moving forward. You can either email us at engage@starkweather.us or click the link in the description to contact us. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you.